Snoring affects our lives and sleep. Why do people snore? Snoring involves the abnormal vibration of the roof of the mouth and soft tissue in the back. When this tissue is abnormally stretched and relaxed, it can rub against the back of your throat, blocking the airway and creating the sound of snoring, reducing the quality of sleep for you and your partner. Now, through a simple procedure, 3 absorbable sutures are placed into the soft palate. The sutures are gently lifted, both increasing the stiffness of the palate and improving airflow. In the 30 days following the procedure, snoring will be greatly reduced. In the 6 months after the procedure, the sutures will also completely dissolve.